Hello lovelies, welcome back. So, before I start with anything in this video, I have so many things to tell you. First of all, about this makeup look. If you want to recreate this look, the link is somewhere on here. And I will also post a link to this look at the end of my video and also in the description. Oops. If you want to see how to recreate the look. That's one thing, and the next thing is the unboxing of this beautiful palette by BH Cosmetics. Since the time it has gone out, I wanted to get it. I have seen the Galaxy palettes by BH Cosmetics, like I think the Galaxy Chic and other ones like this, and I wanted to get one, but I did not because I wasn't quite happy with the colors that they had in their palettes. And when the new one went out, I was like, I had to try this one. And also they had a gift with it, like a limited edition makeup brushes set, something like that. Well, I got my box like last week, and I couldn't unbox it because I was so busy and I didn't want to unbox it and spoil it before I could film this video because I wanted to share it with you guys. See how much I love you. Okay, I still tried to open it. I wouldn't lie because I wanted to get a sneak peek. And then, because it's so very well packed, the only sneak peek that I could get, this. And believe me, that box is enormous. So I'm like, what? Okay, I'm going to open it with you right now. It's heavy. And you see, it's a big box. And see how big it is. I'm getting so impatient. Now, the surprise. How do I open this? Oh, it opens on this side. This is gorgeous. So you see here, when they just got this out, you had like the palette and the brush set. The brush set, which was a limited edition that came with it. And it's all mine. So what do I have in this box? I have like a small card which tells me exploring a new discovery. Wait, I just put on some space here because the box is blocking me. So, like you see, these are the palettes that BH Cosmetics did. These are the palettes that I was talking about. You have the Galaxy Chic, this one. You have the Solar Flare, the second one, and the Supernova, the third one. They had these three palettes which were cosmic. And now the fourth one is the Aurora lights. And this one, it has 18 color baked shadow palette. So you have 18 color which can be used dry if you want a slight light shimmer, or you can also use wet for an intense shimmer. And with my skin color, I like to go with really intense colors because light shimmers don't give that color much. So I'm so excited. Let's see what's in it. In the box, you have the eyeshadow palette, and you have the brush set. They have like 10 brushes and this palette. And really, the price for both of them at the launch, it was really affordable, not expensive at all, and I couldn't help myself from getting my hand on it. I could not. And also the brush set come with a cosmetic bag. we're going to keep the more exciting for the last one. So I just put the palette here and I'm going to open the cosmetic bag with the brush. It's so beautiful. I really like the colors. It's a beautiful box and everything. So look at this cosmetic bag. It's nice, isn't it? And you have the 10 brushes that go in it. I really like that. You see that mint green? It's great, right? And I have a new set of brushes. You know, sometimes you get tired of washing them and you can use a new one until both gets dirty and then you have to wash all of them. So yeah, about the brushes, so you can see, I'm just going to go roughly for this. They have a powder brush, a blush brush, a contour brush, a highlighter brush. This is for powder highlighters. And for the eyes, you have like the blending brushes, flat brushes, light shimmer brushes, and lastly you have the angle brush, which could be used also for your eyes, for your eyebrows, sorry, and also a thin one which can be used for your eyeliners if you have like gel liners, and these are going to be the right brushes. So that's a really nice cosmetic bag. I think it's a nice brush bag, and I think I use it to put all my things in it. This box is great. You see, you even have like those things. I mean, I don't know how do you call that, to keep them intact and they won't move. And this box is so classy, I think. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great. I can't wait. I can't wait to post a look of this palette. So this is the palette and 18 colors. Da 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 da. I can cry. Oh my god. They're so beautiful. And even a mirror. A mirror, which is always so helpful when doing your looks. I find that mirrors in palettes are a must because it's easier. And look at those colors. Just look at those colors. They're so metallic. It's like the galaxy. It's really an aurora. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. It's really, really gorgeous. Look at this. I'm going to do some swatches right away for these colors. I mean, not all of them, but actually there are some that are really going on into my eyes. And I'm going to see the pigmentation of this palette actually. Because like I told you, when they just got out this palette, when I saw the swatches of other people, it was really light and I wanted to see the color. So let's do it. The first color which I really like is the Australis one. The Australis one, which is like a green universe, like a green turquoise color. And okay, that is intense. That is great. It's so beautiful, and it's a light shimmer. I don't think you see yet, but it's a really light shimmer. I have like the lights on my head, that's why. And okay, so I'm just going to use like 4 colors just quickly for a quick swatch, like the colors that I really want to see if it really gives this metallic effect. And the other swatches, I'm going to post it as a photo on my Instagram, so you could follow me on Instagram. Here is my handle. And you will see the swatches and all the makeup looks that I do go on it. So the first one that I did was the Australis one, and the next one that I'm going to do will be the 24K, which is like the cool one. And this is so beautiful. Do you see this? This is so gorgeous. And even as I did a swatch on my hand, on my arm, the colors are so pigmented and they're still on my fingers. This is so great. The next one I'm going to try is Phenomenon, which is like a brown gold color. And oh my god. Don't close, don't close. See this? They're so pigmented. I like them so much. See the colors here? It's so great. It's so great. And I'm going to... Which color do you think I could try in it? Like the ombre one? Maybe the ombre one because it is white and I don't know what effect is it gonna give. Well, it's like a hollow color. It's a holographic because you see different color in light. So it's like, you see it's a silver, and when you slightly play in with light, it's a bit more purplish like that. And oops, and here. So here are still my fingers. Even as I did the swatch here on my hands and really smudged it, it didn't move. It really didn't move. I guess that was a good buy. I was so anxious and worried about the pigmentation of this palette because I was scared it might not be a reflective one because of my skin color actually. And all that I've seen right now is fair skin people trying it, and it was really light shimmer, so I was kind of confused and a bit lost. But now that I've tried it, it's awesome. It's gorgeous. I really like it, and the colors in it are so beautiful. Like really, they're all shimmers and they're all so colorful, and yeah, it's a really nice palette. And of course I am going to post some looks with it. Oh my god, what happened was that there was a little bit of eyeshadow here. I think it was the blue one, and I just removed it and swatched it on my hand. It was just a tiny little pigment. And see, I'm just going to swatch this one. It's the magnetic one, it's the dark blue one. And I don't know what to say more about this palette. It's not expensive. It's very affordable. It's gorgeous. The pigmentation is awesome. It was just a dry application. If I use a wet application, I think the colors are going to throw Aurora lights everywhere around you. I'm so impatient to do a makeup look with this, and if you have any ideas of what I could recreate or what I could create, well, let me know and I'll look to it. So this was the unboxing of the Aurora lights by BH Cosmetics, and their launch was like 2 weeks ago, but I got mine like 1 week ago and I didn't get much time to do this unboxing. I'm very happy I could do it right now. This Celestial Beauty is my... Oops. I don't know if they still have those boxes on their site or if they are just the limited edition is still here, but if you want to get like a very good deal with the palette and the brushes. I think it's a very good opportunity to get both of them. And I think that's it. So guys, I hope that you've liked those colors as much as I did. I think BH Cosmetics is very good in bringing out palette for everybody, and also the price that it puts for all its makeup products is really very affordable, and it's a very good quality one. BH Cosmetics is my favorite. I have the neutral 88 color palette by them. This is the first palette that I tried and I really liked it. That's why I wanted to get this Cosmic palette by BH Cosmetics. So guys, I hope that this video will help you choose whether you're going to get this palette or not, because personally I really like the colors. They're really very pigmented, and you could also try to get it less shimmery. I just blended it a bit like you see, and you could go for light colors if you don't like dramatic colors. There's this possibility. And there, I hope that this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for my other makeup tutorials, unboxings and makeup videos. Also don't forget to click on that little bell right here just near to the subscribe one, because if you don't click on it, you aren't going to get notified if I post a video. So I guess I went through all of this. I'm going to post a makeup look soon with this palette, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.